Hi, I'm Mar. Today, I'm in the garden. Let's explore and learn new words together. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, look at this tree. It's big and tall. The leaves are green and the bark is rough. Touch the tree. It feels bumpy. Can you say tree with me? Tree, tree. Yay! Great job. Look at the flowers. They are so colorful. Pink, yellow, purple, and blue. Smell the flowers. They smell so sweet. Can you say flower with me? Flower, flower. Yay! You did it. Look, a butterfly. It's flying up, up, up. Flap, flap, flap. The butterfly is so pretty. Can you say butterfly with me? Butterfly, butterfly. Great job. You're amazing. Listen. Tweet, tweet. It's a bird. Birds have feathers. Birds fly in the sky. Flap your arms like a bird. Can you say bird with me? Bird, bird. Yay! Tweet, tweet. Here's a bench. It's made of wood. We can sit and rest. Sitting feels so nice. Can you say bench with me? Bench, bench. Awesome. Look, a tiny bug. It's crawling on a leaf. Creep, creep, creep. It's a little ladybug. Can you say bug with me? Bug, bug, yay. Good job. Look down. Green grass. It's soft and tickly. Let's touch it. Wiggle your toes on the grass. Can you say grass with me? Grass, grass. Yay, that's perfect. Look, a watering can. It has water inside. Swoosh, swoosh. Water helps flowers grow. Can you pretend to water the flowers? Can you say watering can with me? Watering can, watering can. Awesome job. Oh, a little plant. It has green leaves. Plants love sunshine and water. They grow big and strong. Can you say plant with me? Plant! Plant! Yay, you're so smart! Yay, we learned so many words today. Let's say them all together. Tree, flower, butterfly, bird, bench, bug, grass, watering can, plant. Wow, you did amazing! Give yourself a big clap. Thank you for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you next time.